Hello, friends and industry colleagues. I am Keyur Bhalawat, founder and CEO with Plutoman Technologies Private Limited, an augmented and virtual reality solution provider for enterprises. COVID 19 has brought along a lot of challenges and for few businesses, even great opportunities. There is a new normal for every businesses around. Because of the lockdown situation, we have kept our complete workforce 100% work from home. We were able to anticipate this lockdown a bit early, and that helped us in the early challenges which we faced while shifting it to 100%. One good thing which has happened, which because of the work from home situation, is that meetings have become more productive and result oriented. Apart from our normal routine meetings, we have also decided to have a 30-minute call every Friday evening wherein we discuss anything apart from work. This is a small attempt to stay connected even in the crisis situation. We as Team Plutoman have decided to support the continuity of our clients and other enterprises by offering our augmented reality based remote assistance and collaborative tool Plutoman ARMS free to subscribe and use till 30th of June. I am grateful to my team for the support and dedication they have shown in the current scenario. With chances of likely relaxation in the lockdown, it is even more important for us as founders and CEO to be more responsible for our team and family. This is this time where uncertainties are still very high. I would rather be more careful and be safe by having my people work from home instead of having them to go to office with uncertainties around. We have internally taken a call that at least till third week of May we'll be 100% work from home, barring some exceptions. It is time for us to be more careful and not rush to office, urging everyone to be safe and productive. Jai Hind.